This video will demonstrate how to use the Laser TagRider. This is the trigger button. Turn on the Laser TagRider by moving this switch once. Within the first 4 seconds, toggle mode switch once to enter configuration mode. The first option to change is team. Currently it is showing red team. Press the trigger to change. Once you have confirmed your team, toggle mode switch again to configure life count. Press the trigger to increase the life count. Life count can be any number from 1 to 99. When ready, toggle mode switch again to go into magazine count. Press the trigger button to increase the count. The number can be from 1 to 99. Each magazine has 30 ammo. Let's set it at 3 for now. When ready, toggle mode switch again to go back to team change, again for mag count, etc. Once all configurations is done, switch off to exit configuration mode. Now let's turn it on to play. Wait for about 5 seconds till you hear the sound from the Laser TagRider. Once the sound is over, it is game on. Press the trigger to shoot. When 30 ammos is used up, reloading time will start. During this period you cannot shoot. And now you are ready to continue. Reload again. And continue shooting. Reload. Player will be out of the game when life goes to 0. Fire. Player can remain in the game so long the life count is greater than 0. When there is no more magazine, pressing trigger will sound give it up. Now turn to the Laser TagRider. Let's turn it back on and try to reset the game. Within the first 4 seconds, toggle mode switch twice to reset. Now you are ready to play again.